Slow cooker honey soy pork belly with Asian greens. To start, place the pork on a clean work surface and pat dry with paper towel. Score the rind. Next, heat the peanut oil in a large frying pan over high heat. Add the pork, skin side down, and cook for 5 minutes or until the skin crackles slightly. Remove the pan from the heat. Place the onion, 5 spice, ginger, garlic, cinnamon, and star anise in a slow cooker. Place the pork over the onion mixture. Next, pour the soy sauce, Chinese rice wine, honey, and hoisin sauce into a jug and stir to combine. Pour evenly over the pork. Cover the slow cooker with the lid and cook for 6 hours on low, basting occasionally with the juices until the pork is very tender and the sauce thickens slightly. Meanwhile, heat the sesame oil in a wok or frying pan over high heat. Add the pak choy and choy sum and cook, tossing occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes or until the pak choy wilts. Place in a bowl. Transfer the pork to a board and thickly slice. Serve the pork with the vegetables, then drizzle with juices from the slow cooker. Season with pepper and finish with a scattering of black sesame seeds and chilli. Cooked to perfection in the slow cooker, this tender pork belly is easy and impressive.